Well, here we are at it again, working on my 1997 Cadillac SLS. About 5 years ago, I posted a video on how to replace the dash instrument lights, and today it's the backup light. Sort of a funny situation was that I ordered some LED lights for my Ford van, and they don't fit. So I thought, well, what the heck, it's a nice warm day, it's almost 40. See if it fits on a Cadillac. The problem is, I couldn't find out any place how to do it. And it's sort of all enclosed and not really obvious. But what you have basically is pretty simple. There's 3 standoffs, and there's the little standoffs there. So get over here. Call them little butterfly standoffs. That's fine, no problem. But the problem is you got 2 stupid pins down here that I had to chisel out. Maybe there's a secret way to get those out, I don't know, but I'll replace them, no problem. And the other thing is, you have to really rip out the upholstery at 2 places to get in there to the butterfly little nuts. So anyway, that's it. It just goes back together, and what I'll do is I think I'll just put some aircraft nuts on these, or maybe I'll order the parts, get the right parts. But anyway, it'll work out.